Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the network error in Claude 2026. A network error message in Claude usually means the app can't communicate with its servers. This doesn't mean your account is broken, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Now before we start, I'll show you what the error looks like. For example, I deactivated my internet connection and I'm gonna click on this right here. As you can see, the internet connection appears to be offline. So you might be encountering one of these errors. The first thing you want to do is to check the internet stability. Claude needs consistent connectivity. So you're gonna test on another website or an app and restart your Wi-Fi and mobile data. I'm gonna restart my Wi-Fi. Let's hope it connects automatically. Just like this. I'm gonna restart it here. And as you can see here, I can use Claude again. Now once I restarted my connection. The second thing is to disable VPNs and firewalls. Now, VPNs and firewalls block cloud traffic, so turn them off temporarily and then reload Claude. You can always switch networks, like mobile data and Wi-Fi. You can choose a different network and choose the one that is faster and more reliable. If that doesn't work, try updating the browser or the app. As I'm using the app, you're just gonna go to the web store like this, to the App Store or the Play Store depending on which device you're using, and look for the Claude app. Once you find it, you're gonna check if an update is available, and if it is, you're gonna click on updates and wait for the update to be completed, and then you're gonna relaunch the app again. And if that also doesn't work, try retrying after a few minutes. If the Claude servers are under maintenance, the error will resolve automatically. And that's it. Network errors in Claude are most always connection related. Once your network is stable and restricted, Claude will reconnect and function normally through 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.